Hey everyone! Welcome to Curious Minds. Artificial intelligence has brought incredible advancements to our world, revolutionizing industries and changing lives. But as AI grows more powerful, it also brings potential risks we can't ignore. Today, let's explore 10 reasons why AI could be dangerous to humanity and what's at stake if we don't approach it with caution. Number 1. Loss of privacy on a massive scale. Loss of privacy. AI-powered surveillance systems are becoming so advanced that they can identify, monitor, and even predict our behaviors, leading to a world with little to no privacy. Facial recognition, social media tracking, and data mining create detailed profiles of us, our habits, preferences, even our daily routines. In some countries, AI-driven surveillance monitors millions, tracking citizens without their knowledge. Imagine a world where every movement, every online interaction is analyzed. The result? A society where privacy becomes obsolete, with potential for extreme control over individuals' lives. Number 2. Autonomous weapons and warfare. Autonomous weapons. AI in warfare could be one of the most dangerous developments of our time. Autonomous drones and robot soldiers can be programmed to make decisions without human intervention, which could escalate conflicts dramatically. These systems could make lethal decisions based on their programming, potentially targeting the wrong people or escalating conflicts. Imagine if such weapons were hacked or deployed irresponsibly, they could turn cities into war zones overnight. Without strict control, AI weapons could lead to conflicts beyond human control, making warfare deadlier than ever before. Number 3. Job displacement and economic inequality. Mass job displacement. AI is transforming industries, but at the cost of millions of jobs. From factories to finance, AI-driven machines are replacing human labor, creating a wave of unemployment. This trend could lead to extreme economic inequality. High-skilled jobs in AI development will be in demand, but workers in traditional roles may struggle to transition. Without careful planning, AI could widen the income gap, creating a world where opportunity is reserved for those in control of AI technology. Number 4. AI bias and discrimination. Bias and discrimination. AI systems rely on data from the past. If that data contains human biases, the AI will likely carry them forward, amplifying discrimination in hiring, policing, and even lending. For example, studies have shown that some AI systems used in hiring tend to favor male candidates, and others in law enforcement target minorities more frequently. This perpetuates inequality rather than solving it. Unchecked, these biases could create a society where opportunities are unfairly limited for certain groups, deepening existing inequalities. Number 5. Lack of accountability and transparency. Lack of accountability. AI systems often function as black boxes, meaning they make complex decisions that even their creators may not fully understand. When these systems are used in critical areas like healthcare or criminal justice, the lack of transparency can lead to unjust outcomes, leaving no one to hold accountable if something goes wrong. This raises a serious question: how can we trust systems that we can't understand? Number 6. Autonomous systems making life and death decisions. Self-driving cars, drones, and medical robots can make split-second decisions. But what happens when they make the wrong choice? Consider a self-driving car in an unavoidable accident. Should it prioritize the safety of its passengers or pedestrians? These ethical dilemmas are hard enough for humans, and programming them into AI could lead to unintended consequences. As we delegate life or death choices to machines, who bears responsibility? Without clear rules, the public's trust may waver. Are we truly ready to hand over these critical decisions to AI? Number 7. Manipulation of information and deepfakes. Manipulation of information. AI has enabled the creation of deepfakes videos that look and sound real but are entirely fake. These can spread misinformation, damage reputations, or sway public opinion. Imagine a deepfake of a world leader announcing an attack. It could cause panic, instability, even spark conflict. Deepfakes make it harder to distinguish fact from fiction, which can have serious consequences for trust and democracy. Number 8. Superintelligent AI becoming uncontrollable. Superintelligent AI. Many scientists warn of a hypothetical future where AI surpasses human intelligence. Once that happens, it could operate beyond our control, pursuing goals that conflict with our own. This concept, known as the alignment problem, asks what happens if superintelligent AI's goals don't align with ours. In such a scenario, even if it doesn't hate us, it might disregard human safety or values. Number 9. Environmental impact of AI training. Environmental impact. Training large AI models requires substantial energy, increasing carbon emissions and exacerbating climate change. For instance, some estimates suggest training a single AI model can produce the same carbon emissions as 5 cars over their lifetime. This makes AI development costly for our environment. As AI expands, so does its environmental cost, reminding us of the urgent need for more sustainable approaches to AI development. Number 10. Dependency and loss of human skills. Loss of human skills. As AI handles more of our daily tasks, there's a risk of over-reliance, where we lose essential skills like critical thinking, navigation, and problem-solving. Imagine a future where people can't perform essential tasks without AI. What would happen if the AI fails? This dependency could weaken our resilience, making society vulnerable to any disruptions in AI technology. The risk isn't just about convenience. It's about preserving the human skills we might not realize we're losing. The dual nature of AI. Artificial intelligence has the potential to shape our world in extraordinary ways, but it's not without serious risks. If we don't approach it responsibly, we might find ourselves facing consequences we never anticipated. Thank you for joining us on Curious Minds. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more explorations into technology and the future. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.